Good morning. Hello. Today I'm going to attempt to do a real makeup tutorial where I am not flustered and confused. I've made all the same mistakes I did in the last video. I have weird lighting because I have a weird reflection happening here. And I haven't scripted this, so I don't learn from my mistakes, obviously. Today I have work. Yeah, sometimes I get dolled up, but that's because I have something on afterwards that makes it worthwhile wearing makeup. I only wear makeup when I want to do a shoot and when I'm like going out and seeing friends maybe, but then even then I don't really wear makeup, so I pretty much just wear makeup for the internet. Sorry. So this is my like everyday not wearing makeup but resurrecting my like dead face makeup. I use 4 products, so all you need is a concealer, a eyebrow pomade, eyebrow gel or powder or whatever, mascara, and a highlighter, and that's all I use. I'll probably do this look 4 times a week, 5 times a week, and then I'll wear makeup once or twice a week. So let's just get started. So I currently have like a moisturizer on. I am dry. I started using this like Mario Badescu like collagen moisturizer, like thanks to all the like mean comments saying I look like an old woman, so you sparked my interest in collagen moisturizer. So my eyes are really grumpy because I had 2 shoots and I did 3 makeup looks in one day, so my skin is like, what have you done? So that's might be why I'm looking a little bit broken, more broken than normal. So I didn't realise that these are just called sponges, and I thought all of them were called beauty blenders. But beauty blenders are like an actual product. So yeah, I have bought the Real Techniques sponge and I love it. Oh my god, it like made such a difference. I'm never using a brush to apply foundation like ever again. It's like just adds and leaves so much like moisture in my face. So yeah, I've just put concealer all under my eyes, on my forehead, because I have like acne dents up here, so I just want to like bounce some flat color around there, and then along the top of my nose and the side of my nose to kind of like make it look a little bit naturally contoured. And then I avoid this area here because then redness and like dullness creates like a natural contour, but it just is like my skin texture, so that's like kind of nice. Like it keeps like your skin like visible. Also, I don't set my concealer. I don't know if that's bad or anything. I don't set it because I want to avoid putting like more dry products on my skin. Like I don't want to put powder on my skin when I'm trying to let it breathe. So I feel like a little bit of like cream will be okay. Now I'm going to put my eyebrows on. They're already quite tinted, so I usually don't have to do much, but I'll just kind of put like a solid line in the front here. Oh, that's gone on an angle. Oh well. Wow, I'm really good at describing and explaining things. And then I'll brush them upwards, and that's them done. I'll add some mascara. I kind of want to get my eyelashes like tinted and lifted, but I've always been scared. I don't know why, because I have long eyelashes. They're just so blonde and like straight and down. Like anyone that's done my makeup before has been like where are your eyelashes going? They're going all different directions. And I'm like, yep, so is my train of thought. So I'm just putting like one layer on because all I want to do is make my eyes go from non-existent to open. That's all I'm trying. I might do another little bit, make the tips a little bit darker and longer. And I don't own an eyelash curler because, I don't know, I've always thought they were damaging, but I'm sure they're not. But I've never owned one. So I just do this instead. It's a nice face. Look at me go, no mental breakdowns yet. Do you see why I do my face like this 4 or 5 days a week and then I do all that other shit 1 day a week? Because that's all I can emotionally handle. And also I feel like this is like all I need to get me through life. Like, I don't need a full face of makeup to function as a human being anymore. Like I used to. I definitely, like when I was younger, I definitely needed a full face of makeup to like get me through my daily life. But now I can happily walk around with nothing or this and I'm so comfortable in my own skin. Anyway, now we're on to the next and final product. I have my vanilla pigment from MAC and a little brush. I will put a little bit on the tip of my nose, on the bridge, and then I will put a bunch up here. Oh yes, because then I feel like it just creates like an instant contour with my natural skin, you know, and then it just creates like a cute little dewy shine, and that's honestly it. You can still see all my freckles, all my kind of like scarring and stuff, and like my lips aren't any bigger, my eyes isn't, like nothing's dramatically changed in my face. I've more like enhanced my like good natural features and like subdued the grumpy features. Yeah, thank you for watching my video. Have a great day. I hope me doing this has given you a little bit of inspiration to maybe like cut out a few products and just enhance your natural beauty and like just be super comfortable in your natural skin and just get shit done. I love you all. Thank you so much. I just want to give you all a really big hug. So yeah, thank you so much. Have a great day and I'll see you next week. Bye.